Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing with the series Make a Game Like GTA. Today we want to learn how to equip and equip weapon and how to pick it up. So also we want to fix one error I find these days ago, so we can fix this right now. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you to everybody that support me. If you want to support me, you can go to my Patreon page. And if you want to talk with me directly or you want to help me making games, go to my Discord channel. So thank you, and let's start the tutorial. So go to Unreal, and let's check out the bug I'm fine. So if you go play, I enter in the car. If I fall down, like for example in this ramp, let's go. If I fall like this, it go to the wrong rotation. Let's do it fine. Okay, so let's do it again. So that's awesome. So let's fall like that. Oh, like breaking is bad. So let's fall. For example, here, fall like that. That's perfect. So if we will fall, you go out to the car. We see the transformation of the player is the same like the reference in the car. So that is not the best way to do it. So let's fix this easy fix. So let's do that. So exit here, go to the blueprint on the car. So it's gonna be this one. And here they have SE flyer. That is the reference we wanted because it's this one reference. But inside here in the SE card and set actor transformation, we don't want to transform everything from this one. So only one thing. So disconnect this, split it, split these two, and only we want the location. We don't want to the rotation. We want to zero rotation, and also we want the scale use one. We don't want another scale like that. So if we compile now, it's safe. We can close this. If we try it again, go inside the car. If we fall, I hope they do it right the first time. So if I fall, oh my. Perfect. If I fall, I get out the car is wrong, but the player is not. So that is fixed. So one thing done already. So let's pick up guns. So let's do that. So let's create a blueprint so we can separate this stuff. So right click, they want to be a new folder. I'm gonna go cars, for examples. We can put all these together to here. Movie, we can fix the duration. So fix our director like that. So we need to create a weapon. So right click, get a blueprint class. They want to be an actor. They want to call, I don't know yet. So we're gonna put a weapon blueprint. Later we can change the name, but right now they're gonna be weapon blueprint. So open it. We need a static mesh because in this pack is a static mesh the weapon. So it's gonna be a static mesh, that, and we need the static mesh. So I don't know what it is. So let's go content, access bio, go to meshes, weapons. I want to use probably the shotgun, for example. We can use, well, paper bag. That's good. Let's try that one. So let's do that and put this here. So we connect this here. So now I have the baseball bat. That's perfect. So now we want to create a box collision. So the player can overlap. So I'm gonna be add component. I'm gonna set box collision like that. They can be attached to the mesh. That's perfect. So we need to do this more big. So maybe 5 times. Oops, 5 times. Something like that. Wow. Okay, like that. That's okay. So compile and save. So we can draft the blueprint inside the level. So they're gonna be here. I wanna put it right here. So maybe we can rotate it so they look more like the old school GTAs. So they're gonna be like that. Okay, so that's it. So now we need something the interactive player when overlap. We can do it from different ways, like I told you before. We can go to the go in here. We can uh, call the from here the add event or begin overlap, enable input, and anything like that. But I want to do it this the best way. So the best way to more easiest, they can be you can use for everything. They're gonna be the blueprint interface. So let's do interfaces. If you don't know how to do interface, you can go to my beginner tutorials. They're gonna show you there how to use properly the interface. I wanna show you here too, but they're gonna do it more fast because it's the same like the other video. So let's do that. So blueprints, right click, wanna be blueprint, go to blueprint interface. I wanna call it main interface. So enter the main interface. We create the new function. They're gonna be interaction, like that. We can compile and say that's it. So we need to put that in weapon blueprint. So in here, class settings, implement the interface. They're gonna go to main interface. So right here, compile and save. We don't need a click, so let's do that. So in here, we're gonna right click, implement event. So the event I want right now is when I press the button for the interaction, I want to destroy item, destroy actor. So I simulate that I pick it up. So I want to destroy actor, compile and save. So now go to the player. You want to be enable that interact. So we have already a button for interaction. So I want to call this enter card, but if they don't do nothing, we can call from here. So from here, I want to be for each loop with break. We need more space. We can collapse this. So let's do that. So I'm gonna be possess player, for example, for now. I don't spell it right, but it's okay. I'll put this here the other way. So in here, we need to make array. So I'm gonna be get overlapping actors, like that. The actors are gonna be actors from the array. Does implement interface. They're gonna be the main interface. So like that. So make a branch. If it's true, we want to call that interface main interface the message interaction, like that. So compile and save, like that. And we want to, when they go the interaction, they're gonna break it so they don't do it again. They don't loop it anymore, like that. If we can put this like that, something. We can reroute that, but it's okay. So compile and save. So now, if we go to close to the actor, if I press the button, they wanna pick it. The wrong one, so pick it up. Let's pick it up. So when we pick it up, we attach some place. You can do it directly to the inventory like the GTA, but I want to see where the weapons are. It's more realistic, so let's do that. So I want to create a socket for the mesh. So it's gonna be here. So they wanna English, go to the meshes. No, go to character mesh, mesh again, English skeleton. Right click, double click. So we need to put something in the back, for example. So let's do that. We have socket. So let's do spine tree maybe. Yes. So right click, add socket. I want to call this I want to call it back weapon maybe. Yeah, for now it's gonna be okay. So like that. We're gonna adjust in some place, but I can see the weapon is already there. So let's add that. So in here, right click, it said add preview asset. They're gonna be the basketball basket. Nope. So let's try basketball, yeah, through baseball. Sorry, not like that. So that's too big probably. So let's rotate this a little bit. We can put more close. Too fast. So let's try 3. So probably like that. Another rotation. Maybe like that. It's probably too big, but it's okay for now. So separate this a little bit and save it. So close here and close here. Okay. So from here we already pick it up. So want to spawn in the player. So how we can do that? So we can from here destroy actor. They wanna do it from the players better. So let's do it from the players. So English blueprint character English. And here we want to create a custom event. So here custom event. I wanna call this pick up baseball bat, like that. What? Okay. So let's put this together like that. Okay. So when we pick it up, I want to spawn actor from class. From class. What actor we want to spawn? We want to spawn the baseball. No, here. So the class. What they call it? The weapon blueprint. Right. Weapon blueprints like that. So we want to have the reference here. So we want to promote this to a variable. I want to call it baseball bat blueprint, like that. So now we have it, and we want to attach to the mesh. So gonna be here, attach actor to component, because this is baseball bat is the actor and the component is the mesh, because say right here. So go ahead, get the mesh is the parent. I want to call the socket name from the mesh. The socket name from the mesh is back weapon, I think. So I think it's true. Think well, yeah, here they said the spawn transform is not right, so split it. So now we have a transform scale. They're gonna be 1, 1, 1. So compile and save. And here they're gonna be a NAT to target, like that. So we compile and save. Go to weapon blueprint, and here we need to call that one, but we need a reference. So how we can do that? So the same. So when they begin play, we need to cast to DP English, DP character English, like that. Blueprint, get object, get player character, and promote this to a variable. So when we want to use for different stuff. So from here, yeah. So from here, they're gonna be take this reference, and from here, call that pick up baseball bat, like that. File and save. So go play. Let's check it out. If we go to the mesh, we pick it up. We have in the back, but we have an issue here because they have the collision already. So we need to put this collision out. So go to weapon blueprints, static mesh, and we don't want collision right now. So disconnect this to no collision at all. So compile and save. Go play. If we pick it up, now that's perfect in the back. So that's it. So now we want to equip it. So let's do that. So let's this here. So now we have it. So that's okay. Now we want to, well, it's okay. So I want to pick it up first. So they have pick up back. Now equip it. So I need to one more custom event. Now we can do different way. So go here, edit, project settings. Go to input. I wanna put something here. So it's gonna be equip weapon here. Equip weapon. What button I want? So I want, for example, the shoulder left for now. I want for run gonna be left, so gonna be right. Okay. So shoulder right, for example. So we can close this. Okay, so here we want to call that one. So gonna be equip weapon. And now we want to do a question here. So if the baseball ball get, so convert to valid get, so do it like this. So if it's valid, they already sit in my pack, so I want to equip it. So if you want to keep it, you have to attach to the component, like saying like here, copy and paste. So if it's valid, I want to go here. The target is the one again, but the socket name don't wanna be there. It's gonna be the hand. So go again to the mesh, character, mesh, and here we need to put it in the hand. So the hand left, no, hand right. So it's gonna be a socket again. So put the name hand weapon. It's gonna be easy to understand. So hand weapon. I want to create another preview, so I know what I'm doing. So right click, add preview asset. Go to baseball bat, like that. I want to rotate this to probably like that. Move this to here, and probably like this. I don't have yet the animation, so they're gonna be there for now. So save it. So let's try now. So here to the keep weapon, they're gonna be change this name to hand weapon. So compile and save. So now if I click to equip, they don't do nothing because I don't have nothing. So if I keep the wrong button, so if I click this, I have it. So if I have it, I click equip. Now I keep in my hand. So now we have a keep. We can use it if we have the animation. So how to keep it now? So well, we need to change again. So we need a reference here. So in here, when I create a variable, I want to set baseball bat equip, for example. So they're gonna be here. They're gonna be set. So now is equip. So if it's not, I want to do different way. So now if it's valid, I want to do that but we need to do the question first. So right here, they get basketball, baseball bat equipped, made a branch, connected right here. So put it like that, for example, if connected. So now we need to move this like that. So if we don't have a keeper, I want to equip it like that. So if we are equipped already, so I want to attach to the pliers. So they're gonna be again. So copy and paste again this like that. Yes. So the parent, no, the target gonna be this one. The parent gonna be the mesh again, like that, and the true gonna be here. And change this again to back. Oops, back. Well, and we want to unequip it. So gonna be set. Gonna be false. So compile and save. So let's try this. So let's go like here. We can keep it. No, we can pick it up. Sorry. So if we press the button, they wanna keep. If I press again, they wanna keep it. I keep and I keep. I keep and I keep. So that's perfect. So now we can pick weapons. We can equip it. We can unequip it, and also we fix that error. So that's it for this video. So if you want to see something particular from this tutorial, so you can comment me below, so I know what you want to see next from this series. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to support me, go to my Patreon page. Like I said before, if you want to talk with me directly or want to make games with me, I think there's our bug right there, so we need to fix that. So okay, so if you want to make game with me, you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.